the channel. We're taking apart this engine on this awesome 68 Mustang Fastback monster Cobra 429
Cobra jet
thing.
This car's awesome. It's a 68, it's a fastback, it's got a big block, and it's coming out today.
Smash that like button
And subscribe.
Word up.
Word up. Okay, so there's the engine removal. She's a whole lot of engine, so always gets a little nervous when you're working on a car this nice and you're pulling out a big old monster like that. So, but anyways, from here we got a lot of work to do. We got to kind of assess this front end here. It's kind of a cheaper version of a Mustang 2, but we need to figure out which kit we're going to put in there. Probably leaning towards a height system, but we're gonna, call them, research what's gonna be best for this car, and get that figured out. So anyways, yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. So if you want to follow us along with what we're doing, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. All those cool little YouTube things are really helpful when it comes to us continuing making videos, which are hopefully cool for you guys. Okay, thanks. We'll see you next time.